Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Alex Bell, and today is 28th of February 2026, and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster and smarter. If you've ever struggled with low viewer count or slow growth on Kick, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share the 3 best Kick Viewbot providers in 2026, so you can increase your live view count and boost your discoverability. I'll show you step-by-step how they work, prices, delivery speed, and what I personally recommend. Let's get right into it. 1. Followers Panda. Reliable and quick. The first provider is Followers Panda, one of the oldest and most reputable sites for social media growth services. They offer a quick and reliable way to increase views on your Kick streams, helping boost visibility and engagement. Here's how the process works. Go to the website and click Buy Kick Viewers from the menu. Choose the package you want. In my case, I bought 10 Kick viewers. Click Buy Now and go to checkout. Enter your Kick username and your email address. You'll get a verification code sent to your email. Copy it, paste it on the verification page, and set a password. On checkout, confirm your username and choose your payment method: credit, hot, debit card, PayPal, or even crypto. Complete payment, and within a few minutes, boom, viewers start showing up on your stream. And as you can see on screen, the viewers come in quickly and smoothly. 2. Stream Boosters. High-speed delivery. The second provider I want to talk about is Stream Boosters. This service is known for super fast delivery, often within minutes after checkout. Here's what separates Stream Boosters: fastest viewer delivery out of all 3. Multiple packages tailored to daily stream goals. Refill guarantee: if viewers drop, they refill automatically. 3. Viewer Rocket. Best for budget and stability. The third provider is Viewer Rocket. Perfect if you're looking for good value and consistent performance. Viewer Rocket doesn't deliver as fast as Stream Boosters, but its strength is stability, meaning the viewers tend to stick for longer and get fewer drops. Their key benefits: best pricing tiers for beginners, solid retention, easy to use dashboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.